Okay, let's see this limit. So we have limit as x approaches to a, and numerator is x minus a, denominator is square root of x minus square root of a. Okay, a is positive, and first thing when you're evaluating a limit, just plug it in. If you get a result, then that will be the answer. But if you get indeterminate form, then that's we have to do more job. Okay, let's see. So here, if we substitute a for x, so we have a minus a numerator, denominator is square root of a minus square root of a. Okay, numerator is 0, denominator is 0, so this is in the indeterminate form, so we have to do we have to find another way to evaluate this limit, and here we will use canjugates, okay? Because in the denominator we have radical denominators and roots, right? So it is better to use here canjugates. So let's do that. So multiply, we are multiplying this expression by the conjugate of the denominator. And conjugate means there's the same expression, just you will change this sign in the middle. The minus will be plus. If it is plus, it will be minus. Okay, then it will be conjugate of denominator is square root of x, square root of x plus square root of a, and denominator also square root of x plus square root of a. Okay, then what will have? Limit x approaches to a, numerator will be x minus a quantity. Don't forget to use here parentheses because we have two terms, right? Two terms here and two terms in our conjugates, also parentheses. So square root of x plus square root of a. Denominator, we will do the same thing. So square root of x minus square root of a times square root of x plus square root of a. Okay, now we must have simplify only denominator. Okay, don't simplify the numerator. So in case in denominator we could have the expression which is like the factor in the numerator, then we can cancel them. That's why we are simplifying only denominator here. So that will be limit as x approaches to a. So here we have parentheses, of course. So numerator will be x minus a quantity times square root of x plus square root of a. Okay, and denominator. So we will have here FOIL method. So multiply first term times first term. That will be square root of x squared. Square and root cancels, and we're left with just x. Square root of x times square root of a, it is just plus square root of ax, or a times x, and minus square root of a times square root of x, it is minus square root of a times x, and minus square root of a times square root of a, that will be minus square root of a squared, and square root cancels, and we are left with just a. And here you can see we have this like terms like square root of ax and square root of ax with different signs, so they can be cancelled. Next, simplified form will be limit as x approaches to a, numerator quantity x minus a times square root of x plus square root of a, and denominator will be x minus a. And you can see here numerator and denominator has the same factors, x minus a, so we can they can be cancelled, right? Then we have the expression of the limit x approaches to a, and we have square root of x plus square root of a. Okay, now we don't have denominators anymore, so you can just plug in a for x, so you will not get 0 in the denominator. We don't have denominator. So plugging in a, we will have square root of a plus square root of a. And if you add these two terms, that will be 2 times square root of a. Okay, guys, so this will be the value of the given limit. Thank you very much. See you.